the snow is actually picking up, and I'm in a front-wheel drive car with all-season tires with 0 service and 3 hours to go. Yeah, I really hope I get over this mountain pass and this all goes away, because just a mile behind me there was no snow whatsoever. Holy smokes. Yeah, I might have to like actually turn around if I come up to a crazy incline. So we're going downhill now. I don't know the grade, but I'm really just trying to go super slow here. It looks like up in the distance there's no snow, so I really hope that this ends very soon here. I'm like driving with the storm. You know, I'm just out of it now, but I really don't know what to expect. I've gone through 2 or 3 sections now where there's nothing like this, and then you make a turn and there's a ½ inch of snow on the road. I mean, it looks like clear skies in the direction I'm heading, and clearly snowing to the left of me. We're gonna hope that that was the worst of it, because that was actually nerve-wracking. I came up to a hill and I saw a guy pulled off chaining up his tires in his pickup truck. So I don't know if he was just being excessive about it or what, but I crawled up it slow and second. I went down the mountainside slow, second and third. We seem to look good right now. Yeah, I sure hope it stays that way. That was pretty wild.